All right, so for these questions, we're just looking to find the scale factor that is common between these. And if you're not sure what I'm talking about, you'll want to A, watch the OHS lesson, but B, also make sure you watch the lesson from Monday, March 25th, where we went over this towards the end of class. And it'll make a lot more sense as to exactly what this is dealing with. But you want to find the scale factor that's common throughout all of these text sizes. And so to do that, you can pick any two, but they have to be consecutive. So one text size and then the one right above or right below it. So for this one, we'll just pick these two. That's really our only option where we have two consecutive ones. And you divide larger divided by smaller to get the scale factor. So 1.954 divided by 1.563. And so we are going to divide that. When you do that, you get 1.25 and it goes 25015995, but we can just round it to 1.25. And so that means when I'm looking for the unknown scale size, and what that means is this one right here with the question mark, I just take the one before it, the size before it, and multiply it times the scale factor of 1.25. So 1 times that 1.25. And actually, you know what? We made a mistake because, not a complete mistake, but notice it says it needs our answer to the nearest thousandth, and that is 3 decimal places. So since our answer was 1.250159995, it's still going to just be 1.250, but I did forget about that, so you do want to make sure you're careful when you're rounding there. The nearest thousandth is 3 decimal places. So that's what we would put there for that one. This one says for a certain font, the scale factor is 1.3333, and one of the scale, or 1.33, and one of the scale sizes is 2.353. The next smaller scale size, so I've got my size of 2.353. To get to the next smaller scale size, we need to divide by the scale factor instead of multiplying, since we're working backwards to the next smaller one. So we'll do 2.353. We will divide by 1.33. And it says round your final answer to the nearest thousandth. We get 1.76, and it's 917, so that just rounds to 9. And that is the next smaller scale size.